Welcome to Luxus Home and Garden and our purpose-built factory in Indonesia. This is where our furniture journey begins. Every piece is machine crafted at source using fully sustainable plantation teak, chosen for its strength, beauty and longevity. Our design and operations teams worldwide work hand in hand with our factory, making sure each collection is built exactly to our specifications with no compromises on quality, ever. To support this, we've invested heavily in a global logistics network. With dedicated depots and teams in key regions, we're able to deliver our furniture locally in over 30 countries across 3 continents. Our main hubs are located in Ireland, the UK, Germany and Australia, with our Irish and German offices supporting customers throughout Europe. Quality is everything to us. That's why our quality control teams are based right here at source. Every single piece is carefully inspected, fine sanded by hand and checked in detail. Nothing is rushed and nothing is overlooked. Once approved, the furniture is carefully boxed and palletized to protect it on its journey so it arrives to you exactly as it should. This is Luxus Home and Garden, the home of exceptional furniture.